Hello students, welcome to Statistics by Savita. Today we will discussing about 2022 PUC first year question paper pattern. You already written a midterm exam and midterm exam pattern was the 156 total marks was there and you written as 100 marks. ನೀವಲ್ಲಿ ಮಿಡ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮಲ್ಲಿ 156 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ಗೆ 100 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಪೇಪರನ್ನು ಬರೆದಿದ್ದೀರಿ. ಬಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು 2022 ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಪೇಪರಲ್ಲಿ ಚಾಯ್ಸಸ್ಸನ್ನು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಇವಾಗ ನಿಮಗೆ ಚಾಯ್ಸಸ್ಸನ್ನು ಸಮ್ ಪ್ಯಾಂಡಮಿಕ್ ಇಯರ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ಸಮ್ ಇಶ್ಯೂಸ್ ಅಂತ ನಿಮಗೆ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಚಾಯ್ಸಸ್ಸನ್ನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಟೋಟಲ್ ಇವಾಗ 2022 PUC ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಇಯರ್ 2022 ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಪೇಪರಲ್ಲಿ ಟೋಟಲ್ಲು 195 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ. ನೀವು ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಬಿಡಿಸ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು 100 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸನ್ನು. ನಿಮಗೆ ಚಾಯ್ಸಸ್ ಇರ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು 95 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಚಾಯ್ಸಸ್ ಇದೆ ಈ ವರ್ಷ. 95 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಚಾಯ್ಸಸ್. ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್, ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಯು ಅಬ್ಸರ್ವ್ 100 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಪೇಪರ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ರೈಟಿಂಗ್ ಅಂಡ್ 195 ಟೋಟಲ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಪೇಪರ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಹ್ಯಾವಿಂಗ್. ಓಕೆ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮಿಡ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಮಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು ಪ್ಯಾಟರ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಟಾಟಿಸ್ಟಿಕ್ಸ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಪೇಪರ್ ಪ್ಯಾಟರ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಇತ್ತು ಎ ಬಿ ಸಿ ಡಿ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಇ ಅಂತ. ಓಕೆ, ಯು ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ನೋ ದಟ್ ಒನ್. ಎ ಬಿ ಸಿ ಡಿ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಇ ಪ್ಯಾಟರ್ನ್. ಓಕೆ, ಇನ್ that A pattern, the 1 mark questions, in that 1 marks you are writing as a 10 questions. 1 marks 10 question, but this year they increased as a 15 choices they given. Before 12 were there, but in this 2020 question paper 15 choices are there. You are writing as a 1 mark 10 questions, you will get a marks 10 marks. ನೋಡಿಲಿ, 1 ಮಾರ್ಕಿಂದು 10 ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಬರಿತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಿ ನೀವು. 15 ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಚಾಯ್ಸಸ್ ಇದೆ ನಿಮಗೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ 2 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು 2 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ನಿಮಗೆ 10 ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಸಾಲ್ವಿಂಗ್ ಔಟ್ ಆಫ್ 15 ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ 20 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಗೆಟಿಂಗ್. ಆಸ್ ಅ ಹಿಯರ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ the 15 choices are there. Out of 15 choices you are writing as a 10. C as 5 marks question, writing as 8. This is also a 15 choices. ನೋಡಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ 7 choices ಇದೆ ನಿಮಗೆ. ಯಾವ್ಯಾವುದು ಬರ್ಬೋದು ಇಲ್ಲಿ 15 ಯಾವ್ದು ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಬರ್ಬೋದನ್ನ ನಾನು ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ನಿಮ್ಮ ವಿಡಿಯೋದಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ್ಯಾವ್ದು ಇಂಪಾರ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಅಂತಾನು ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ ಅಂತ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು 8 ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಅನ್ನ 5 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಇಂದ ಬರಿತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಿ. ದಾಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾರೀಸ್ as a 40 marks over there. Then the D section is a 10 marks. It is only you are writing 2 questions out of 5 questions. Out of 5 questions it is only a 20 marks. Carrying as a 20 marks over here. Next is a section E, that is a practical oriented question. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ವಿಡಿಯೋದಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡೋಣ ಅಂತ ಯಾವ್ಯಾವ್ದು ಬರ್ಬೋದು. ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಇ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ್ದು ಬರ್ಬೋದು. 5 marks only. 2 questions you have to solve out of 5 questions. That is carries as a 10 marks. The total just you observe, ನೋಡ್ರಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 30 plus 40 70 plus 30, that is a 100 marks. ನಿಮಗಿಲ್ಲೇ 100 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಪೇಪರ್ ಅನ್ನ ಬರೀತೀರಿ. ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ 15 ಇರ್ತದೆ. 15 5 5. ಓಕೆ, ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅದ್ರ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ನೀವು ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸಾಲ್ವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಿ. ಇದು ಯಾವ್ಯಾವ ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಕವರ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ನೀವು ಅದನ್ನು ತಿಳ್ಕೊಂಡ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಅದ್ರ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ನೀವು ಸ್ಟಡಿ ಮಾಡಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಕೋರ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು. 100 ಔಟ್ ಆಫ್ 100 ನೀವು ಸ್ಕೋರ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು. ಓಕೆ, ಯಾವ್ಯಾವ ಚಾಪ್ಟರ್ ಇದೆ ನಿಮಗೆ PUC ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಇಯರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ? ನೀವೀಗ ಆಲ್ರೆಡಿ ಪೋರ್ಷನ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ ಆಗಿರ್ಬೋದು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಮಂತ್ ನಿಮ್ದು ಎಕ್ಸಾಮ್ ಇದೆ. ಈಗ PUC ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಇಯರ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮ್ಗಿರೋದು 10 ಯೂನಿಟ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ. 10 units are there. Okay, this one is a prerequisites, and this one, the first chapter is a introduction to statistics and some basic concepts. Second one is organization of data, classification and tabulation of data, diagrammatic and graphical. Okay, according to, just we will discuss what the marks carries, the first chapter, second chapter, third chapter, according to that. Okay. Okay. The first chapter, first one, that one is an introduction to statistics and some basic concepts. Introduction. And some basic concepts. Okay. Just I am writing this as a. Here, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ABCDE, the sections, 1 mark questions, 2 mark questions, 5 marks, 10 mark, and 5 marks again, and total, the total marks it carries. Okay. Idu section A, idu B, C, D, and this one is a E. Okay. Here, introduction of statistics and some basic concepts. ನೋಡಿಲಿ 1 mark ಇಂದಿಲೆ 2 questions ನಿಮಗೆ ಬರ್ತದೆ, 2 questions, and 2 marks is also 2 questions, and 5 marks 1 question, and no 10 mark, and again the practical oriented question. Just you are multiplying 2 into 1, 2, and 2 into 2, 4, and this 5 into 1, that is a 11 marks it covers. It is a 11 marks. Second one, second chapter, that is a organization of data. Second unit, that is a organization of data. Organization of data alli nimage 2 marks 2 questions, and 1 mark 2 questions, and 2 marks 2 questions, and 5 marks 2 questions illi, and no 10 marks and no practical oriented questions. Total it is 16 mark. Total it is 16 marks it carries. Second unit. The third unit is a classification and tabulation of the data. Classification and tabulation. That unit, the third unit, that carries a marks, the 2 as a 1 mark question, 2 as a 2 mark question, and 2 as the classification tabulation is having only 1 question, 5 marks, and no 10 marks, and the practical oriented question is 1. It is also having a 16 mark. The classification and tabulation, third unit. Okay. The fourth unit is a diagrammatic and graphical. Diagrammatic and graphical. That carries a 2 marks. Here 1 mark as a 2 questions, and 2 marks 2 questions, and 5 marks 2 questions, and here the 1 question. Total it is 21 marks. Nodi, 1 5 marks is increased. 1 5 marks is increased here. 2 1 mark, 2 2 marks, 5 marks in the 2 marks, and 2, and the last practical oriented question is 1. That diagrammatic and graphical carries a 21 marks. And the fifth unit, that is a analysis of univariate data. analysis of univariate data. Okay. Just you observe the analysis of univariate data. What the subchapters are there in that? That is measures of central tendency, measures of position. Measures of position you are studying as a quartiles, deciles, percentiles, and the measures of dispersion. In the measures of dispersion, range, quartile deviation, mean deviation, standard deviation, and coefficient of variation you are studying. Moments, and here the skewness you are having Karl Pearson's coefficient of skewness and Karl Pearson's coefficient of skewness and Bowley's coefficient of skewness and kurtosis you are having. Okay, this analysis of univariate data, these 4 subchapters you are having, and how many marks it carries, just we will see. Analysis of univariate data, the 2 questions 1 mark and 2 questions 2 mark, and 5 marks, that is also 2 questions, and just you observe here the 3 questions 10 mark and 1 question practical oriented question. The total marks is 51. Students, just you observe that 4 subchapters you are studying means you will get a 51 marks here. 51. 10 marks, 3 questions are there, but you are writing as a 2 questions. Here the 2 more choices are there in the next bivariate chapter, but in the univariate chapter you are having a 10 marks, 3 questions. Okay. Sixth unit is analysis of bivariate data. Analysis of bivariate data. That is, analysis of bivariate data is also having a correlation and regression. Correlation and regression chapter, your subchapters you are having, and in this bivariate data, the 2 questions 1 mark and 2 questions 2 mark and 2 questions 5 marks and 1 question 10 mark and no question is here. Analysis of bivariate data is having 26 marks. 26 marks. Only a correlation and regression is having 26 marks. The 7th unit you are having as a association of attributes. Association of attributes, that is a very small chapter, but it carries as a, it is also the 2 mark 1 question and 5 marks as a 1 question. No questions in 1 mark, this 10 marks and practical oriented question. It carries as a 7 mark. The 8th unit is interpolation and extrapolation. Interpolation and extrapolation chapter, that carries the 1 mark 1 question and no 2 mark questions and 5 marks a 1 question. Then it is having a 6 marks. 6 marks. The only binomial expansion method is there, that you are solving means you will get a 5 marks compulsory and 1 as a 1 mark question. Okay, we will discuss what is giving in a 1 mark question and 5 marks in the next video. And 9th one is a theory of probability chapter. Probability chapter. In the theory of probability, the 1 mark is 1 question, 2 mark is a 1 question, and 5 marks is 2 questions. And here just I am writing as A. Why A? I will tell you. Here the one is a practical oriented question. Then it carries as a 18 plus. 18 plus. 18 plus is nothing but here 1 mark 1 question and 2 marks 1 question and 5 marks 2 questions. But 10 marks the A and B sections. In one question only it is a division of A and B questions. A is from probability and B is from random variable. A, it may be a 5 marks or it may be a 2 marks, any one question. The 10th unit is having a random variable. Random variable. Random variable is also a 1 mark, and this is also a 1 question, 2 marks, and 1 question is from 5 marks, and this is a section B, and this is 1. Total it is 13 plus. A and B. Okay. Okay. This is 3 plus 1, 4, and this one is a 5th question. Okay. Just I am showing you how many questions. So what you written here. This is just you count this one. You are getting as a 15 questions. And 2 marks 15 questions. And C section is also having a 15 question, and D section, that is a 5 questions. 3 plus 1, that is a 4, and this one both we are taking as A and B. Then 5, and this one is a 5 questions. Okay, this is your question paper pattern according to a chapter wise. I hope this is very much clear to you. Okay, ನಿಮಗೆ ಇದು ಭಾಳ ಕ್ಲಿಯರ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ನಾನು ಅನ್ಕೊಳ್ತೀನಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಇದರ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ನೀವು ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಪೇಪರನ್ನು ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಈಸಿಯಾಗಿ 100 ಔಟ್ ಆಫ್ 100 ಅನ್ನು ನೀವು ಸ್ಕೋರ್ ಮಾಡಬಹುದು ಇಲ್ಲಿ. ಓಕೆ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್, ದೆನ್ ಫಾರ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ವಿಡಿಯೋದಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಒಂದೊಂದೇ ಚಾಪ್ಟರಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮಗೆ ಯಾವುದು ಕ್ವಶನನ್ನು ನೀವು ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ನಾನು ನಿಮಗೆ ತಿಳಿಸ್ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಒಂದೊಂದು ಕ್ವಶನ್ ನೀವು ಅದರ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ರೆ ಯು ವಿಲ್ ಗೆಟ್ ಅ ಗುಡ್ ಸ್ಕೋರ್. ಓಕೆ, ಐ ಹೋಪ್ ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಯು. ಓಕೆ, then subscribe, like and comment my channel. Thank you.